Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Majors English Verse. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 common mistakes which many of the candidates who are practicing IELTS they tend to make, and which is quite obvious and acceptable at initial stages, but not at the later stages and even in the mock test and especially in the final test day. The first common mistake and major mistake which students they make is of spellings. It's very important for you to understand that correct spellings are very important to understand and should be there on your OMR sheet when you are preparing for your mock test day and even the final exam day, and especially when you are practicing IELTS. So it should not be happening that you are taking things lightly when you are practicing, and in the final or in the mock test day you will not make mistakes. So you should never underestimate this thing. Start practicing from the initial stages of not making mistakes of incorrect spellings. So wherever you are going wrong, start practicing those words which are tougher for you or which can create a problem for you. Second common mistake, which is not reading the note which is given above the questions. That means that there is always a limit to write the answer of a particular question in IELTS listening and reading. Since we are talking about listening, so let's talk about listening only. There is a limit of 1 word, 2 words, 3 words and or a number. So it's very important to understand that what is the meaning of and or a number. If you are not sure about this note, you are going to lose your band score in IELTS listening. So when you are practicing, keep this thing in mind and do remember to look into the note which is given accordingly. Write your answer to that particular question. Third common mistake which students make is of not following the correct sequence. So what does it mean? It's very obvious that when we are practicing IELTS listening, we may not be able to find all the 40 answers from an audio, which is okay at initial stages. But do remember, when you are transferring all those answers on the OMR or on your answer sheet, you should always be following the correct sequence. For example, if you have not written the answer of question number 4 and in your answer sheet, question number 4th answer should also go blank, or you can always make a guess, which is definitely not a wrong thing because there is no negative marking in IELTS. So these 3 common mistakes are very important to take care when you are practicing IELTS listening. If you will keep all these things in mind, things will become pretty easier for you and you will definitely enjoy IELTS. Not only listening, all the 4 modules in IELTS will become easier and interesting for you. Stay connected. I'll come up with new strategies and more things which will be easy for you and which will make things easier for you in the next episodes. Till then, keep watching my episodes and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care and good luck.